the spring mood. So I'm going to be filming a peach makeup look. I love the color peach as well, and I'm gonna match it to my peach shirt. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner of the video. And thanks again for all your love and support. Let's start this peaches and cream tutorial. I'm going to start off by hydrating my skin using the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist, and I'm almost out, and I'm going to have to get another bottle, and this will probably be my third bottle. I love this, my favorite. And then going in with another favorite of mine, the Mer Foundation, and this is Amber 53, and it looks like I'm almost out as well. Guys, you know how much I love this Mer Foundation. It actually lasts for quite a long time on the face. It looks so natural. Looks like your skin, it's not heavy. And it gives your face a nice finish. I'm then going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige under my eye area, the bridge of my nose and my forehead, just to bring light to these areas and to conceal any darkness. And then I'm also going to add it to my eyelids as a primer. Take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it in. And I'm using the inside of my beauty blender that I use to apply my foundation, and just buffing in any lines. And then I'm going to set that concealer in place using the Wet n Wild contour powder, and I'm going to use this yellow shade here. This is just going to lock the concealer in place and also add brightness. I'm then going to bronze up my face using the NYX No Filter powder, and the shade is in Mahogany. This is just adding dimension to your face when you add it to your forehead, under your cheeks, giving your cheekbones definition, and your jawline, giving your jawline definition. Just adding a sun-kissed glow to the skin. I'm then going to pick up the LA Girl Just Blush in Just Peachy, and add that to my cheeks. And then for highlighter, I'm going in with the LA Girl Luminous Glow Powder, and I am using the shade 24K. That is stunning. And then for brows, the LA Girl Slim Shady Brow Pencil in Blackest Brown. Okay, so for eyes, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Sweet Peaches palettes. And it looks like this. Some lovely shades, peach shades. And it smells like peaches. So I'm going to go start with the transition area. And I'm going to go in with Puree, the shade. And just apply that to my crease. And then I'm going to pick up another crease brush, but this is much more packed, and because I want to concentrate it in the depth of my crease. I'm going to go in with Summer Yum and just place that color there and blend in. So I'm placing it here first, and then I'm blending in. So that means I'm depositing the color here and dragging what's left in. I'm just going back in with that first blending brush that I used and just going over. And then I'm going to use this shade, which is called White Peach, in my at the brow bone highlight. And then picking up a clean blending brush and blending any lines. I'm then going to add a bit of concealer to my lids just to intensify the color. So I'm going to take it with a brush and I'm just going to add it. I'm then going to pick up this shade called Candied Peach on a flat shader brush. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I'm then going to pick up that blending brush that I used on the crease and add a bit of more Summer Yum and just blend out any lines. Adding it to the outer V as well. I'm then going to pick up Peach Pet. It's like a purple shade. And I'm going to lightly apply that to my outer V just to add more dimension. Another tip, if you hold the brush handle at the end of the brush, you will be much lighter and you'll have much more control. Picking up that first blending brush I used and just blending out any lines. And then for inner corner, I'm going to go in with this Nectar shade. Just going to pick up that blending brush again and blend out so it's smooth. Picking up a pencil brush, I'm going to go in with Summer Yum and add that to my lower lash line. Picking up Peach Pit. Then I'm going to pick up that blending brush that I used here in the crease. I'm not taking any excess product and I'm just going to blend out. And then I'm going to line my upper waterline with Essence Long Lasting pencil in hot chocolate and just line the upper waterline. And going in with the brown because you want it to look soft. And then I'm going to align my lower waterline with Wet n Wild's eye pencil in Natural. Just to open up the eyes a bit. And then for lashes, I'm going with the Essence Lashes of the Day. I'm just going to add a bit of the Lash Princess because the other mascara is out. And then for lips, I'm going to use the Colourpop liquid lipstick in Calypso. And then just setting my face with the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I hope you enjoyed and thanks again for watching, and please can you subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again. Bye bye.